Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best came TV R5r603 is probably one of the most versatile and feature-rich camera stabilizers on the market today, designed to elevate your videography to a professional level with its advanced stabilization technology and user-friendly design. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just starting out, this gimbal offers unparalleled smoothness and control, allowing you to capture breathtaking cinematic shots that were once only possible with expensive, bulky equipment. Its robust construction ensures durability, while its intuitive controls make operation a breeze, even in challenging shooting conditions. Get ready to transform your footage from shaky and amateur to smooth and professional with this incredible piece of gear. Number 5. TCL 40-inch 1080p Smart LED Roku TV. Introducing the TCL 40-inch 1080p Smart LED Roku TV. Experience stunning visuals and smart features in one sleek package. Control your entertainment with just your voice. It works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing you to find content or change channels effortlessly. Access over 5,000 streaming channels and hundreds of thousands of movies and TV episodes. Your next binge watch is just a click away. Enjoy exceptional detail, vibrant colors, and impressive contrast with its 1080p Full HD resolution. Every scene comes to life with stunning clarity. With a 60 Hz refresh rate and direct-lit LED technology, it delivers great picture quality. Fast-moving action scenes are rendered smoothly with minimal motion blur. Connect all your devices with ease. It features multiple HDMI ports, USB, and other essential inputs for a complete entertainment setup. What we like. Experience seamless control with built-in voice assistance. Access thousands of channels and apps through the intuitive Roku TV interface. If you're looking for a smart TV with easy navigation and a vast content library, this is a great choice for everyday entertainment. What people say. It has a built-in Roku, which I hear is like $50 on its own. The Smart TV allowed me to set up a few channels: YouTube, WWE Network, and Roku Media Player. The Media Player is awesome. The TV allowed me to attach an external hard drive via USB, and I'm able to directly access all my shows and movies I have on them, and I play them flawlessly. Now, when I turn on the TV, it will also turn on my home theater system, put the system in the correct mode, and play through the home theater. If I turn off the home theater, the TV will then turn on its own speakers. Simple, but neat tech. Number 4. Samsung 65-inch Class Crystal 4K UHD $8,000 Series Smart TV. Witness millions of shades of color with our powerful dynamic crystal technology. It brings a whole new world of vivid color and detail to your screen. See every detail with stunning clarity. Our powerful processor converts everything you watch into breathtaking 4K resolution, for times that of Full HD. Access a world of content beyond streaming. Control your smart TV with your voice using built-in assistants and a single remote. Don't miss a moment of the action. With minimized blur and enhanced motion clarity, it catches all the fast-moving scenes, whether it's sports or gaming. Its ultra-thin profile allows this television to blend effortlessly into any room. Enjoy a sleek and modern look. Connect seamlessly with a host of compatible devices. It also offers convenient features like Tap View and PC on TV. What we like. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with vibrant colors and incredible detail. Its powerful processor ensures a crisp, clear picture, while Motion Accelerator keeps fast action smooth. If you prioritize picture quality and a premium viewing experience for movies and sports, this television is an excellent option. What people say. The Cane TV R5r603 is a robust and well-built gimbal that offers smooth and stable footage. Its intuitive controls and easy setup make it a great option for both beginners and experienced videographers. The payload capacity is impressive, allowing for a variety of camera setups. Number 3. UBeesize LED Video Light Kit. Meet the UBeesize LED Video Light Kit, designed to elevate your content creation. Its adjustable head and brightness controls ensure perfect lighting for any scenario. Experiment with 4 included color filters to achieve diverse and captivating visual effects. It's ideal for YouTube, product photography, and video conferencing. The adjustable tripod extends from 23.62 to 57.68 inches, offering flexible positioning for tabletop or low-angle shots. It's perfect for recording, streaming, and video calls. Power your lighting solution easily with any USB port, providing continuous illumination wherever you need it. Simply plug into your computer or a wall adapter. This kit is your ultimate companion for capturing professional-looking videos and images. It's perfect for studios, streaming, and all your basic photography needs. What we like. Achieve perfect lighting for any shoot with adjustable brightness and included color filters. This versatile kit is powered by USB, making it convenient for various setups. If you're a content creator needing flexible and portable lighting for streaming, video calls, or product photography, this kit will elevate your visuals. What people say. The lights are surprisingly powerful for their size and perfect for desk setups or small filming spaces. The adjustable brightness and color filters make it easy to get the right tone for Zoom calls, streaming, or product photos. The tripods are lightweight but stable, and everything packs up neatly for storage. Small but bright. Tons of color options. Super lightweight as well. These easily store in my laptop bag, making it quick and hassle-free to take these with me on the go. I like that I can pick different colors and then different brightness settings. This definitely helps make the subject bright in a dark room area. I was instantly blown away by the quality of these softbox lights. These are RGB lights that changes into multiple colors. Now I can get some quality lighting effects, including the Rembrandt lighting. And they are very stable, so they have not fallen from the ground or in the middle of my streams as of yet. And they are easy to set up. Practically idiot-proof. Extreme functionality. Number 2. King TV Mini V-Mount Battery 99Wh. This powerful battery offers 99 Wh of capacity, ensuring your camera and accessories stay powered up throughout your entire shoot. Never worry about running out of juice again. Built with top-tier 3500 mAh cells, this battery guarantees exceptional performance and reliability for all your professional needs. You can count on it to deliver consistent power. Easily attach it to your camera, video light, or hang it from a light stand using the included lanyard. Its flexible mounting makes it adaptable to any setup. With 2 D-tap and 1 USB port, you can power multiple accessories simultaneously. It even allows you to charge your smartphone on the go. This device features comprehensive built-in protection against overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, and overtemperature. 5 LED indicators clearly display its remaining power level. What we like. Power your professional gear all day with its high-capacity 99 Wh battery. Featuring multiple D-tap and USB outputs, it offers versatile connectivity for cameras, lights, and monitors. If you need reliable, long-lasting power for extended shoots and a variety of accessories, this battery is an essential tool. What people say. They are super small compared to any V-mount batteries I've used. Legit a whole day of filming on one battery. Honestly, you're not gonna find a V-mount at this size, with this capacity, for a better price, especially with 2 D-taps. Number 1. King TV Mini 99 V-mount battery 99 Wh. Experience long-lasting power with our high-quality battery cells. It provides a maximum output of 15A, ensuring your devices stay powered for extended periods. This battery offers multiple ways to power your gear. With BP, D-tap, and USB outputs, you can simultaneously power lights, monitors, recorders, and even charge your smartphone. Designed for flexibility, it works seamlessly with a wide range of cameras like BMPCC 4K 6K, Red Raven, ZCAM, and A7 series. It's your perfect partner for any shoot. Don't let its size fool you. This battery is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and mount without adding bulk to your setup. Included is a portable lanyard, allowing you to hang it conveniently on a light stand or anywhere you need quick access. It enhances your shooting flexibility. We use only the best, high-stability brand battery cells available. This ensures a reliable and consistent power supply for all your professional needs. What we like. Enjoy extended shooting times with this compact and lightweight V-mount battery. It utilizes high-quality cells for a stable, long-lasting power supply and offers multiple output options. If you're a videographer who values portability and dependable power for your camera and accessories, this battery is a perfect fit. What people say. This is 99 Wh, which is the max you can carry on flight. It has a battery level indicator. There are 2 D-tap outputs and 1 USB 5V output. Of course, these are great to have for powering film gear like lighting, field monitors, or cameras. Battery has a 99 Wh capacity, which is great and lasts a long time depending on what you're using it for. Since there's such a wide range of output options, the list of things you can power with this battery is extensive. Tons of functionality in a small and portable package. I'm able to power a Sony A7C, 2000 nit field monitor, a Diode microphone, and a Tilta-Nucleus Nano for several hours of shooting. Fit and finish are on par with my other batteries as well. Nothing stands out as being cheap or inferior to the other batteries. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.